Did you know that geese are more than just noisy birds that honk at you in the park? These remarkable creatures possess incredible navigational skills, complex social structures, and fascinating behaviors. Join me as we embark on a journey into the world of geese, uncovering the secrets behind their epic migrations and intricate communication methods. Over the course of this video, we'll delve into 10 captivating chapters, each revealing a new facet of these often underappreciated birds. Get ready to see geese in a whole new light. Every year, as the seasons change, we witness one of nature's greatest spectacles, the mass migration of birds. Among these avian travelers, geese are particularly renowned for their long and arduous journeys, some spanning thousands of miles. Scientists believe that geese utilize a combination of remarkable abilities, including an internal compass attuned to the Earth's magnetic field, an ability to navigate by the stars, and an acute memory of landmarks. The challenges they face along the way are considerable, from unpredictable weather patterns to the ever-present threat of predators. Yet, despite these obstacles, generation after generation of geese successfully complete these epic migrations, a testament to their resilience and remarkable navigational prowess. Within a flock of geese, there's more than meets the eye. These birds are highly social animals, living in complex groups with established hierarchies and intricate communication methods. At the heart of this social structure is the family unit, consisting of a mated pair and their offspring. Dominant geese, often older and more experienced individuals, typically lead the flock, while younger geese learn the ropes from their elders. This social hierarchy helps to maintain order, reduces conflict, and ensures the survival of the group. The bonds between geese, particularly within families, are remarkably strong, exhibiting cooperative behavior like sharing food and protecting each other from predators. Anyone within earshot of a flock of geese knows that these birds are far from quiet. But their honks, whistles, and murmurs are more than just random noises. They form a complex language, essential for communication within their social structure. The iconic honking sound, often associated with geese in flight, helps to keep the flock together, especially during migration. Subtle variations in pitch and frequency allow geese to communicate different messages to each other. In addition to honking, geese employ a variety of other vocalizations, including whistles, grunts, and even hissing sounds. By understanding the nuances of goose vocalizations, we gain a deeper appreciation for their intelligence and the complexity of their social interactions. Geese, with their seemingly insatiable appetites, are often seen as voracious eaters. But their diet is actually quite specific, consisting primarily of plant matter. They are, for the most part, herbivores, grazing on a variety of grasses, sedges, and aquatic plants. Unlike ducks, which often dive for food, geese typically feed on land or in shallow water, using their long necks to reach submerged plants. This comical-looking behavior is known as tipping and allows them to access a wider range of food sources. While their diet is primarily vegetarian, geese will occasionally supplement their meals with insects, small fish, and crustaceans, particularly during the breeding season. Their feeding habits play a crucial role in maintaining the health of wetland ecosystems. The term goose encompasses a diverse group of birds with over 30 recognized species found across the globe. From the Arctic tundra to the grasslands of Africa, geese have adapted to a wide range of habitats, each species possessing unique characteristics and behaviors. Among the most iconic is the Canada goose, known for its distinctive black head and neck markings and its loud, resonant honking. In the high Arctic, we find the snow goose, its pristine white plumage a striking contrast to the stark landscape. These geese undertake some of the longest migrations of any bird species, traveling thousands of miles between their breeding grounds and wintering areas. The grey-lag goose, native to Europe and Asia, holds a special place in our understanding of animal behavior. From the majestic swan goose of Asia to the diminutive Egyptian goose of Africa, the world of geese is full of wonder and diversity. Throughout human history, geese have held a prominent place in our cultures and mythologies, their image woven into art, literature and folklore across the globe. From ancient Egypt to the Roman Empire and beyond, geese have been revered as symbols of loyalty, vigilance and even divine intervention. In ancient Egypt, the goose was associated with the god Geb, the god of the earth, and was seen as a symbol of creation and fertility. The Romans held geese in high esteem as well, believing them to be sacred to the goddess Juno, protector of marriage and childbirth. Legend has it that a flock of geese saved Rome from a surprise attack by the Gauls. In 390 BC, their honking alerting the Roman soldiers to the impending danger. In many cultures, geese are associated with migration and the changing seasons. Their ability to navigate vast distances has also made them symbols of freedom, adventure, and the pursuit of knowledge. As spring arrives, geese across the northern hemisphere begin the task of raising the next generation. They are dedicated parents, forming strong pair bonds that often last a lifetime. Geese are meticulous nest builders, typically choosing well-hidden locations near water, such as among reeds or on small islands, to protect their eggs from predators. The female takes the lead in constructing the nest, a sturdy structure made of twigs, grasses, and down feathers. Once the nest is complete, the female lays a clutch of eggs, typically between 4 and 8, depending on the species. Both parents share incubation duties, taking turns sitting on the eggs to keep them warm. During this time, the parents are fiercely protective of their nest and will aggressively defend it from any perceived threats. After an incubation period of around a month, the eggs hatch and the adorable, downy goslings emerge, ready to explore the world. The parents guide and protect their young, teaching them essential life skills such as finding food and avoiding predators. The family unit remains tightly knit, with the parents fiercely protecting their young until they are old enough to fend for themselves. Geese, despite the many challenges they face in the wild, can live surprisingly long lives. While the average lifespan of a wild goose is around 10 to 15 years, some individuals have been known to reach their 20s and even 30s. One key factor in their survival is their strong flock mentality. Living in groups provides safety in numbers, with many eyes and ears alert for danger. When threatened by a predator, geese will band together, hissing, honking, and even charging at the intruder to drive it away. Their loud vocalizations also serve to warn other geese in the vicinity of potential danger. While geese face numerous challenges throughout their lives, their resilience and remarkable adaptations have allowed them to thrive across the globe. Geese are marvels of adaptation, their bodies perfectly sculpted for a life spent both in the air and on the water. Their most distinctive feature, their wings, are masterpieces of aerodynamic design. Long, broad, and slightly pointed, these wings are perfectly suited for long-distance flight, allowing geese to soar effortlessly for hours on end. Their webbed feet, while not as efficient for swimming as those of ducks, provide excellent propulsion in the water and stability on soft, muddy ground. Their strong legs, set far back on their bodies, give them a powerful push-off for takeoff and a graceful gait on land. These are just a few of the remarkable physical adaptations that have allowed geese to thrive in a variety of habitats across the globe. Beyond their impressive migrations and complex social structures, geese exhibit a range of fascinating and sometimes downright peculiar behaviors. One such behavior is their tendency to engage in anting, a curious practice in which geese rub insects, particularly ants, on their feathers. While the exact purpose of this behavior is still debated, it's thought that the formic acid secreted by ants may act as an insecticide, helping to keep their feathers clean and free of parasites. Another intriguing behavior is their apparent ability to recognize and remember human faces. During the breeding season, male geese engage in elaborate courtship displays, including head bobbing, neck stretching, and triumph rituals. These are just a few examples of the many fascinating and sometimes puzzling behaviors that make geese such intriguing creatures to observe. As we've journeyed into the world of geese, we have uncovered a remarkable story of adaptation, resilience, and the enduring power of nature. From their epic migrations to their complex social interactions and their surprising array of behaviors, geese continue to captivate our imaginations. So the next time you encounter a flock of geese, take a moment to appreciate these extraordinary creatures. If you enjoyed learning about geese, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating wildlife facts. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the natural world.